In terms of the order, you're playing, a whole measure on the G to E minor on the verses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now right here, this is the fourth line. It goes like this, the fourth, the fifth line. You're going to do a half measure on, after a full measure of G, you're going to do a half measure of C and D. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. And keep going, E minor, whole measure, C, D, B7, B minor, two measures on that E minor, and then the Hallelujah chorus part. I'm using a regular E minor on that. G, D, and I'm doing the walk up. So on that, that little interlude after the chorus, I am using the E minor 7 as opposed to E. They're really interchangeable. It's just a matter of finding stuff that works that you like the sound of. The team seems to work well on that particular thing. And then when I'm on the when I'm doing the second half of the verse, using the regular E minor. Same. Here, same on the chorus. Regular E minor. Then E minor 7. Like that. So I'll do one more clip, and that'll be just playing through their arrangement. Basically, their arrangement, to discuss it briefly, is verse 1, verse 2, both of which have that G to E minor 7 interlude on them. Verse 3 does not have that little interlude. It goes right into the chorus. An abbreviated chorus for that matter. Take that back. So, all right. So their version includes the chorus. So basically, it's basically on, you could say people will write the verse 1, verse 2, and they're talking about the chorus being included in that. So you can look at it, I like looking at it like verse, chorus, second verse, chorus. Third verse, there's no interlude between the third verse and the chorus. You'll see when I play with the record. And then after the oh, that's right. Okay. So first verse, chorus, second verse, chorus, third verse, chorus, no interlude after that third chorus. That's what it is. And I was just looking at, they changed the lyrics like Leonard Cohen does on some of the stuff. And then the fourth verse has fourth verse and then chorus 3 times with no interlude afterwards. So they're just tripling up that chorus. And then they do a chorus breakdown the 4th time where everything is real quiet and they end on a G chord. So let me just play with the record, and hopefully you should be able to sort it out from there.